Hi everyone, it's Corrie. Today I'm going to show you how to put this mermaid card or cake topper SVG together. So here we are in Cricut Design Space and I'm just going to click upload, upload image, then I'm going to browse. I've got it on my desktop. Just going to use the SVG. Okay, upload again. Click on the image and then add to canvas. Okay, now it's in the canvas. As you can see, it's all stuck together, so you can resize it to whatever size you would like. We're going to click on it and then click ungroup on the right hand side. Then we can start to move things around, change colours, do things like that. Okay, we've got two white pieces here and these are the backs. This is the front. This whole area would be the front. And then the reason there's two backs is one is for the cake topper, that's this one. And then the one with the line is going to be for the card. So you need to just click on it like this and then go down on this right hand side. You can see there's an area which is just the line. And then go to operation at the top there and you can change it to a score line. As you can see, it then turns dashed. And then we can highlight both and then click attach at the bottom there, and then when we go into the matte view you'll be able to see that the lines stay in the correct place if you're making a card. There it is. As you can see, it says score and then cut. Just go through all the mattes, just check everything. Obviously you can change colours to whatever you want. I'm just going to click continue. Okay, so here we are with everything cut out. This is the front. I've used a lot of different types of materials, plain card, glitter. This is sort of the very back piece of the front, if you will, and then obviously the two white. This would go together like that, and I use the foam tape between these two if you're making a cake topper. If you're using a card, it would be this back with the line in it. I'll just set those aside for now. And we're going to work on the front. I like to kind of work from the back piece to the front, if you will. So it'll go together like this. These are the layers. And I'm going to, with these layers, it really is up to you how 3D you want to make it. You can use the foam tape or you can use glue. I'm going to use some Beacon 3-in-1 glue today on these two. I'm just going to attach the blue to this lilac. There we go. It's got that little edge around it like an offset. Again, I think I'll use this foam tape and give it a little bit of a 3D effect. So what I'm going to do next is attach the silver to this gorgeous glitter card. I'm going to use this Zig 2-way glue. Sometimes you need stronger glue for attaching anything to glitter card. It really does depend on how much shed the glitter card has. This one's not too bad. So we've got that attached. And then the next thing I'm going to do is go through all of the small details, and I'm going to use the Zig 2-way glue again to attach the mermaid and the seaweed, starfish and the bubbles. Okay, that's all the small details done with the Zig pen. For a 3D effect, I'm going to put some foam dots on the back of the mermaid. Okay, so I'm just going to place her in the middle. You might want to place her slightly to one side if you're maybe going to add like a number or something, maybe just by a hand, it would be quite nice. Like you know, the age number if it's for a child's birthday. Okay, and then I'm going to flip this over, and all over the back I'm going to add this foam tape, and then I'm going to attach it to the blue. Again, just to give more of a 3D effect. Next I'm going to attach these bubbles, and I'm going to use foam dots again. Now when you're adding this seaweed and things at the bottom, you can see this sort of like an outline along the sides there where it sort of matches. So I'm just going to add glue onto the areas where the seaweed touches the shell. So again, it'll give more of like a 3D effect. Okay. Next I'm going to add these little starfish, and as you can see there's like a little area at the bottom that pokes out. That's like a guide for where you need to add them, and I'm just going to add them with some foam dots. There's the front finished. Okay, I'm going to make this into a card, but I'll just describe what I would do if I was making a cake topper. So basically I would take this white back, and in between the front piece and the white back, I would add these skewers, 2 of them. And I would put them kind of here. And I would use the Beacon 3-in-1 glue to attach them to the white back. And then all over the rest of the back, I would use the double-sided foam tape. Then I would add the Beacon 3-in-1 again, just to the skewer area, and then attach the 2 areas together like that. And that would be it complete. I hope that makes sense. Please drop me a message if it doesn't. I'm going to make the card with the line here. And I like to use double-sided tape. I have this really small double-sided tape. There we go. Running out of it. And I run it along there, and then I go over it with the Beacon glue, flip the front over, and then just align the 2 pieces together. There we go. Just give it a squeeze. As you can see, it's got like a foot, and that helps it to stand up like that. And that's the finished product. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Please follow and subscribe. Thanks now, bye.